recipe. I'm going to be making a Nutella inspired protein mousse. So what I'm using today is I've got the Happy Way triple choc fudge vegan protein powder. I've got some cacao powder, some soaked hazelnuts I've had soaking for a couple of hours, some soaked medjool dates, vanilla extract, and some coconut cream. So all I'm going to do is add everything into the blender, blend until nice and smooth. Then I'm going to pour the mixture into a few little ramekins, set that in the fridge overnight or for a few hours, and then I'm going to top it off to serve with some crushed hazelnuts and some chopped